Oh, no, I got it. Okay. Here, I'm sorry. That was rude.
Just yell at Charlotte.
Charlotte, come stand
No
by me.
one yells at Charlotte!
So Charlotte's never made cinnamon roll. She's actually made a lot, but she's going to be a student that actually knows nothing about cinnamon rolls. She's actually an expert, but so we're going to help the viewers know. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle our table, and I've measured out 20 by 24. Weighed out the dough, sprinkle the top with a heavy amount of, roll it out evenly.
So how do you roll it out in a perfect rectangle?
That is the question of the day. So it'll be my measurements. All right. And now we have softened butter. Just use your hands. The trick with the butter too is to not have it too softened where it's melted, but softened enough where you can spread it easily. Thank you, Charlotte. That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Spread it to about, leave an inch of the dough. So we're going to roll it tight. I just realized I'm chewing gum, and that probably is not very good. And then we're going to pinch it. We have our measurements. And we're just going to cut it into even tablespoons of the cinnamon sugar, and this is just so it gets like a nice glaze on the bottom. Let's say that this was in the freezer. You would put it in your fridge overnight and let it thaw and rise, and then now I need to let it double in size. So what I'm going to do is, where it's kind of warm, and I am going to go inside, and then we will show you how to bake them.